हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। Heard Shri J.P. Singh, Learned Counsel for the Petitioner Appellant, Learned Standing Counsel for the Respondent numbers 1 to 4, Shri Bhim Singh, Learned Counsel for the Respondent number 5, and Shri Indal Singh, Learned Counsel for Respondent number 6, full stop para. The judgment and order dated 14/2/2020 passed by the writ court allowing the writ petition in part is under challenge, full stop para. The petitioner worked as officiating principal for a certain time period in an intermediate college, full stop. He challenged the order dated 25/11/2010 passed by the District Inspector of Schools whereby the recovery of salary amount for the period 20th May 2010 to 30th June 2010 was ordered against him, full stop para. The learned single judge in allowing the writ petition in part held that insofar as the petitioner continued to discharge duties as officiating principal during the period 20th May 2010 to 30th June 2010, the recovery is not justified, full stop. However, as the respondent number 6, Dr. Savindra Kumar Singh, had joined as regular principal of the institution on 20th May 2010, the state could not be burdened with the payment of salary to two persons staking claim to the same post, and it is the regular principal who is alone entitled for salary, full stop. It was further observed that in view of the above, the court could not accept the claim of the petitioner appellant for fixation of pension on the basis of the last pay drawn as officiating principal, full stop para. As regards the submission of the learned counsel for the appellant petitioner that the pensionary benefits have to be determined on the basis of the last pay drawn, we are of the view that the petitioner was not legally entitled to continue as officiating principal after 20th May 2010, that is, the date when the regular incumbent had joined the post of principal, and as such the prayer for fixation of pension treating the last pay drawn by the petitioner to be that of the officiating principal cannot be accepted, full stop para. In this view of the matter, we find no error or irregularity in the judgment under appeal, full stop para. This special appeal lacks merit and is accordingly dismissed, full stop. The suit agreement carried a covenant that a sale deed would be executed in favor of the plaintiffs within a period of 3 years of the date of execution of the agreement under reference, full stop para. The plaintiffs allege that the defendant asked them to pay varying sums of money out of the residue of rupees 4,000 payable towards the agreed sale consideration at different points of time, which the plaintiffs paid. These part payments, according to the plaintiffs, aggregate to a sum of rupees 2,500, full stop. This sum of 2,500 paid by the plaintiffs to the defendant stands appropriated towards the agreed sale consideration, which together with the earnest initial paid left a residue of rupees 1,500 to be made good at the time of execution of the sale deed, full stop. It is then pleaded that in the ensuing chakbandi, the property shown in Schedule A, of which the suit property is a part, has been renumbered as plot number 791, carrying with it no change in identity, location or dimensions, full stop. The new number assigned to the plot of which the suit property is a part is 791 at measuring 6 decimals, full stop. It is averred that except for the nominal change of the plot number, the defendant has his two brothers continue to be भूमिधर्स, full stop, over. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये हो गया है 120 की स्पीड में, थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा होगी, ठीक है। और हमने ध्यान रखा है कि जो फ्रेजेस आते हैं ना, उनको हमने एक साथ बोला है ताकि एक साथ फ्रेजेस लिखने की आपकी हैबिट पड़ सके। ओके, कहीं कंफ्यूजन होगी तो कमेंट करके पूछ लीजिएगा, है ना। और कोई दिक्कत हो तो बताइएगा, और जो इस चैनल पर नए हो वो सब्सक्राइब कर लें, ठीक है, और लाइक और शेयर बटन भी दबा दीजिएगा। इससे क्या होता है ना कि वीडियो थोड़ा ज़्यादा ऊपर टहलती है तो ज़्यादा लोगों को मिलती है, ठीक है, सब्सक्राइबर बढ़ जाएंगे, क्या दिक्कत होगी, फ्री का काम है। तो चलिए, क्या कहते हैं, 6वें मिनट से डिक्टेशन शुरू करेंगे। हाँ, अभी कितना हो रहा है, 5वां मिनट हो गया है, तो थोड़ी देर रुक जाइए। ओके। और जो लोग पुराने हो वो भाई लोग कर लीजिएगा, लाइक वाइक कर दीजिए थोड़ा, है ना। क्या जा रहा है यार, फ्री का तो है, प्रैक्टिस हो जा रही है आप लोगों की, और प्रैक्टिस ढंग से करिएगा। एक डिक्टेशन इसलिए भेजते हैं हम, पहले हम 4-4 5-5 भेजते थे ना, हमको भी मेहनत लगती थी और लोग भी सोचते थे कितना लिखें, तो रुक रुक के लिखिए, लेकिन एक को 2-3 बार लगाइए। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन। स्टार्ट। द एप्लीकेशन इन हैंड इज मूव्ड अंडर सेक्शन 482 ऑफ क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड, 1973 by learned counsel on behalf of applicant accused involved in case crime number 1147, registered under sections 147, 149, 341, 332, 352, 336 and 506 of IPC and section 7 of Criminal Law Amendment Act in Police Station Ghazipur District Lucknow, full stop. The applicant seeks following reliefs, para, to quash set aside the charge sheet submitted by police after investigation and the order dated 22/7/2011 summoning the accused in the case, full stop, para. Heard the learned counsel for the applicant and the learned AGA appearing on behalf of the state opposite parties, full stop, perused the materials available on record, full stop, para. Learned counsel has moved this application with grounds for the relief of quashing the charge sheet number 125 of 2011 submitted by police after investigation of case crime number 1147 of 2008 under sections 147, 149, 341, 332, 352, 336 and 506 of IPC and section 7 of Criminal Law Amendment Act, full stop. The grounds as plead are para, quote. First information report was lodged by the station officer of police station Ghazipur district Lucknow dated 1/10/2008 reporting the incident that an ex-MLA Rajendra Singh Yadav along with corporator Shrimati Malti Singh and companions more than 200 in number blocked the national highway near Surendra Nagar turning and thus obstructed the traffic, full stop. They were raising slogans using inflammatory and filthy words against government and the administration. They were delivering inflammatory speeches, full stop, when they were requested to remove the blockade from the road for the sake of public convenience. Irritated thereby, they jointly assaulted and made the police party, threatened and began to pelt the bricks and stones, full stop, decode, para. Learned counsel in the above context submits that the MLA and the corporator are members of well-reputed family and elected representative of public, full stop. They individually have not used any filthy or derogatory word, full stop, since at the time of incident the applicant was in power, being leader of ruling party. In her connivance, the police falsely implicated her, full stop, para. Learned counsel further submits that none of the offence under sections 147, 149, 341, 332 of IPC and section 7 of Criminal Law Amendment Act is made out from the allegations in FIR. Then also the investigating officer, under the pressure of leaders of the ruling party, submitted the charge sheet without any materials to support the constitution of offences there under, full stop, para. Before entering into merit of the present application under section 482 CRPC, it would be relevant to keep into mind the scope and ambit of the said section and circumstances under which the extraordinary power of the court inherent therein can be exercised, full stop. It is explained in a plethora of judgments of the Honorable the Apex Court, full stop. One of those judgments is Inder Mohan Goswami versus State of Uttaranchal, para 23 is quoted here under colon para. This court in a number of cases has laid down the scope and ambit of court's powers under section 482 CRPC, full stop. Every high court has inherent power to act ex debito justitiae, to do real and substantial justice for the administration of which alone it exists, full stop, over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया है एक्स डेबिटो जस्टिशिया, एक नया वर्ड इसमें आया है, ठीक है, लैटिन है ये। लैटिन वर्ड देखिए अपने आप पे समझ में आ जाता है, ठीक है, जैसे सुओ मोटो हो गया, पैरी मेटीरिया हो गया, और एक्स फेशियो हो गया, एक्स पार्टे हो गया, ठीक है। तो कोच ये मत कीजिएगा कि उसको याद करने लगी है, ठीक है। मैटर जैसे जैसे आता जाएगा आपकी प्रैक्टिस होती जाएगी, आप उससे इंट्रोड्यूस होते जाएंगे। ओके, तो चलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट डिक्टेशन में मिलेंगे। ओके, बाय बाय।